Even in difficult situations, this dog's smile never fades. Shady didn't have an easy start. She was hit by a car, severely injuring her eyes. She lost both of her eyes, and the vet was unable to reattach them. That's why she now has her adorable googly eyes. She was surrendered to a shelter, and that's when she met her mom. Mom completely fell in love the moment she first met Shady. Shady is always full of energy and joy, greeting everyone with her little wagging tail. Having a heart for special needs dogs, Mom knows how to make Shady's life as cozy as possible. She was spoiled with delicious meals, a variety of toys, and exciting activities. And Shady absolutely loves it. Even with just one eye, Shady sees the world as a place full of hope and dreams. Sadly, Shady has passed away, but her bright smile will remain in our hearts forever. We send Shady lots of hugs and love as we cherish her memory. Let's keep a positive mindset. Even when times are tough, a positive attitude can lead to a more fulfilling life. Thank you for tuning in to this inspiring story. We hope it brightened your day.